Now, in this video, we are going to be looking at how to develop Laravel e-commerce shopping platform. Example of this script is Zaika eCommerce CMS. This script is good for e-commerce websites. So use our affiliate link in the description to purchase the script. Look at some of the features. Look at it. That is going to look like. Look at the demo. So now use the affiliate link in the description to purchase the script. After purchasing the script, I go straight to my C panel. On my C panel, I go to my file manager. From my file manager, I go to the subdomain we are using for this testing purposes, which is this. So I've already uploaded my script. Next, I'm going to extract it. Extract files. Let me just close this. Okay, I've extracted my file. So let me copy my subdomain name, open a new tab, paste it there, then click on enter. Okay, go to install wizard. So I click on I agree, next step. Let me scroll down. All is well. I click on next. I click on next. Okay, require database, next. So next I'm going to create my database. I'll go back to my C panel to create my database. So I will have data for this. So this time around I'm going to my databases, manage my databases. So let me name my database as Zaika database. Okay. I click on create database. I've successfully created my database. So next I click on go back. After creating my database, next I'm going to create my user. Let me scroll down to create my user. Okay. Next I click on create user. I've successfully created my user. I click on go back. After creating my user, my database, next I'm going to add user to the database. I will make sure I select the one I just created. Here is it. Here too. Here is it. Click on add. Next I'm giving all privileges. Scroll down to make changes. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So I've successfully given our privileges to the user. Go back to my site. User name, database name. Where is it? Okay, admin log information. Let me say admin. Okay, let me say yes. Here, let me say admin at example.com. Okay. So then check database connection. So installation successful. Now let me click on visit website. So I've successfully installed my script. Look at it. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. Thank you.